Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Civil Ideas. So today I'm going to show you the construction process of plain beams and what is the purpose of plain beams. You can see here this is the commercial building, and we will discuss the whole process from start to the end of plain beam construction in this video. So first, for plain beams, we will compact the soil beneath this plain beams, and then do a lean concrete of about strength about 1500 psi. These are the lean concrete you can see here. They have the strength about 1500 psi or 10 megapascal, and first you have to compact the soil up to 95% of the maximum dry density, and then lay out these lean concrete of 1:4:8. So this is, and after that you have to place the rebars. Okay, you can see here this is the plain beam rebars, fixing of plain beam rebars, and this is the longitudinal and the steps. You can see here this is first they have bind the beams at and then they lower down to its position. Okay, these are all the plain beams. There are some secondary beams also, we will see in this video. You can see the development length are probably provided, and the support, the steps are provided at 4 inches. So the basic purpose of plain beams to take the loads of the walls above it. You can see here this is the bottom longitudinal bars, and the development length are properly provided at both ends. Okay, so you have to provide the steel in the proper manner, and also the extra bars you can see here at the ends, extra bars, and at the mid at the lower portion, and at the end at the upper portion. At support you have to provide at the top extra bar for to counter the negative bending moment, and at the mid you have to provide an extra reinforcement at mid. You can see here this is the whole reinforcement of the plain beams, and this is also the retaining walls, and this is the joint of plain beams. Okay, this is a regular joint normally provided for ground floor also, same process, but you have to compact the soil up to this is the ETAB models, and ETABs is the analysis and design software, CSI based, and this is the plain beam layout drawings. Okay, so you have to proper do the layout on site as per the this structural drawings, and because these columns positions you will have to move up to the top stories, so you have to consider each inches, each suit of the dimension. Okay, and this is again the steel reinforcement. Okay, at mid we have provided the steel reinforcement, the stirrups at about 6 inches, and it supports it is about the 4 inches, because it supports the shear force are high, and at mid shear force are not as much, but bending moment is high. But for that we have provided the extra reinforcement at mid. This is the whole process. You can see here the steel facts are the formwork all are going on. This is the formwork. You can see here they are checking the formwork as per dimension, and the spacer provided at both sides of the beams and also at the bottom. So you have to check each activities on site so that it can be provided as per the structural and architectural drawings. Any mistake will go up to the upper story, so and also that can cause the serviceability and the strength of the structure. Okay, so you have to check before concreting each and every items of these beams. The hooks are properly bent about the 135 degrees as per the specifications. Okay, you can see here this is the whole process of plain beams, stepwise construction. Formwork of fixing, and now this is the concrete pouring of plain beams. You can see here this is concrete as going on. You have to check the slump and then do a concreting. During concreting you must have to check the slump. So the slump should not be more than should not be between about 25. Okay, so this is the use of vibrator. Vibrator should be used so that the concrete should be consolidated. Okay, so the slump value should be about 1 inches to 3 inches, or maybe about 25 to 75 mm as per the regular RCC buildings. This is the sample of concrete for 7, 14 and 28 days testing. This is the 3000 psi concrete as per specifications. So we have costed these samples as per specifications. The cylinder is about 6-inch dia, about 12 inches of height. Okay, now after removal of formwork, you can see here the condition of the beams. So there's clean and clear. Thank you.